Yesterday I was on YouTube talking about the next move with gold. Under 4 hours, I was saying that if we can say, because we have two resistance that need to be broken on 4 hours. All right, this is the first resistance. This one is the first resistance. You can see the market tried to pull out from here several times. They couldn't. You can see very well. See, under 4 hours, how many 4 hours can do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candle before the market was able to break this resistance. And when it break the resistance under 4 hours, it continue on the uptrend. Okay, so likewise, if you look at the present situation right now, even before present situation here also, we have some weak around that resistance line. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 5 weeks around here before the market start pulling up or pulling down. Okay, so it shows that that resistance area is very powerful. Then the next one is this one, okay, which was not able to get to that area, but still market got there and it reversed back. So these two areas, this one, this line here, and this big one, the other one I showed you previously, they are very, very powerful resistance line. You can see two of them. You can see two of them, this one and this one. They are very, very powerful. So in that case, moving forward, yesterday market was around this area. Yesterday, if you go, in gold yesterday, you are watching how gold was behaving yesterday. It was so funny. Around here, the market was just consolidating for several hours. Imagine 4 hours. See, it was just on a bullish move, but consolidating bullish move. If you put your trend line here, you can see, okay, put my trend line here yesterday, so to see what is going on. And I discovered that it's in an up and then in an uptrend direction. Okay, and this kind of direction, that the gold break the resistance above or break below. But I said yesterday that I'm not gonna sell. What I want to be doing, what I'll be doing is to buy. So I said the only reason why we could buy here yesterday, that time all this sell move have not really happened. You know, we have a few days ago we have a non-farm payroll news, and it's weak, strong on the USD, and because of that, gold we're trying to break on a bearish move, but it was not doing very well. So eventually it breaks today. Okay, but yesterday we are not having any sign of this break. All we are thinking is that maybe as this one break, this candle was trying to break this resistance several times. So going forward, maybe that's what's going to happen. That if we can have a bullish a candle, 4 hours bullish candle close above, then we can take our buy around here. Okay, but unfortunately we are not able to see a bullish candle break above this area, because I was saying that if the bullish candle can break above this area, okay, we should watch out for bullish candle break above this resistance and close above around here. Then we can maybe around here, then we can take our buy. You can see the drawing. Okay, but unfortunately we didn't see, since yesterday evening there was no such a bullish candle break above. Even this one that tried to break, it will close back down. Okay, so, and I said in my YouTube channel, Samsolite FX, you can go to YouTube there and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that if I drop a latest review on gold, you can be updated and position yourself to take action. So definitely we waited yesterday, we were not able to see any bullish candle, 4 hours candle close above, so that we can enter buy from here, because already this is what I anticipate, that we can if we see a bullish candle close above from here, to here, then we can take our buy from here, put our stop loss here, then target this first take profit, second take profit, and that's all. But unfortunately, there was no bullish candle break above, and I said something, if we did not see any bullish candle break above, I said the next thing I can do, because I told them I'm not going to sell. The only thing I can do, because this analysis I've been predicted before the NFP news, because I was not expecting sell on gold. But when the news came, gold was, USD was strong, and because of that, because of non-farm period, USD was strong, and because of that any peers that USD will spare with, especially GDP USD gold, will be selling. So definitely that's why we see this. But I said yesterday on my video that if the market eventually sell, I'm not going to be among the sell, because I'm not sure. Gold is so funny, it may say sell but turn to buy. So I say I'm not going to sell, but I'll wait till when it get to this level. That when it get to this level of support, which is psychological level, I think it's 5,000, then whatever I see around this area, I will take my buy. But unfortunately, if we step down to because I can't just buy on 4 hour. So if you step down to like 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, let's say 1 hour, you notice that within 1 hour the candle was just going, okay. But we won't know whatever, because I say if I be on 15 minutes around here, I will see what the candle will do before I'll place a buy. But I'll wait till it get here before I place my buy, then target my TP around here. You understand? But unfortunately, when I stepped down to, I saw the trade was so fast, so I stepped down to, I was on 15 minutes when it was going down seriously, and I noticed that swing candle was just going down, so I quickly stepped down to 1 minute. So on 1 minute, I noticed that there was no break. It was just going down. You can see, there was no break. The candle was just going down. There was no support for me to enter buy. So it's a sudden sell. It's like there's a major news, maybe because of the strength in dollar. So the news eventually take place today. Maybe that is why all these things transfer. So I couldn't take my buy here, because it was just for, imagine under 1 minute the candle was like this. It's not advisable to buy until you maybe under 5 minutes, 15 minutes, you can see a support hold here. Then that's when I'll place my buy, put my stop loss below. But in this case, even 1 minute was just going down, so that's why I was not able to take a buy around that area. So let's go back to 15 minutes. So under 15 minutes, you can see that it was just going on until it get to the second. You can see there are two supports. This is the first one I say I will buy. So this is the second one that it came to, which is 5,000, which is psychological level of 5,100. 4,900. Okay, so it's a very powerful cycle. That's why when the market gets here, it was able to reverse under 15 minutes chart. So I couldn't take my buy here because it's not too good enough, because immediately the 15 minutes candle end, another one just start moving up. So it's not good enough, except you want to scalp around here. Okay, so many people that scalp around here can if you're on let's see how it happens. You can see it was so far, even 3 minutes was so far. Let's go to 1 minute and see. See, even 1 minute was so far. So it's not even possible. It's not waiting for anyone, except you are so fast enough that you saw one bullish candle, then another bullish candle, quickly enter buy, take your quickly. When it moved to like some pips, you can quickly come out, which is from here, you can quickly come out, but I can't do such a trade. It's not a professional enough. So I couldn't take my buy at the second psychological level, which is this place. I couldn't take my buy. So since then, the market has been like this. So what I want you to know, because all these things is a trap, okay? So the gold is very tricky. The only reason why I will go buy now is when this trade can come back to this support again and form a double bottom. and not just a double bottom, because in trade you have to consider what is called confluence, number of confluences before you enter a good trade. If you don't see those confluences, I think it's not good enough to expose your capital, because this is not a financial advice, but you have to be very, very protective about your capital. Okay, so therefore, when I will say here is when I will see a support, this trade coming down to this area, forming a support again, making a double top. And again, apart from that, if you go back to I think 4 hours, you step down to 4 hours, okay, using fib level under 4 hours, you can see that area of double bottom. That's a very, very powerful area. Let's take our fib from the low. I like to use fib very well. It's very good. One of these days I'll teach you how to use it. I know some of you know how to use it, but in a better way, a profitable way, I will teach you how to do. If you want me to teach you how to do it, comment on the comment section. Okay, let's talk. Okay, so I noticed that you guys are not really commenting, so let's comment. Say something. If you want me to teach you anything, tell me. Comment on the comment section, like the video, subscribe, follow, and share the video to people you know that needs more understanding on how to trade gold. I will teach you. I will open your eyes to a lot of things you don't know. So therefore, now look at it. The fib level falls at 61.0668, which is a very powerful level. That's when the market reversed back. Okay, it tried on 0.50, it couldn't hold. It went back down again. Then since then it has been moving up and down. So what I will do now, okay, is to wait for this bearish candle, this 4 hours bearish candle, to come down again and touch this. Remember this psychological level 4,100, okay, 4,900 psychological level. So I want this bearish candle 4 hours bearish candle to come down and touch this support. Then I will now step down to say let me delete this one. I'll step down to 1 hour. Let's see what 1 hour will say. 1 hour can do. So this is 1 hour, and don't forget this is 61.8 fib retracement. You see, 61.8 fib retracement. So now what we're gonna do is that here, this is what I'm talking about. So I wanted the market to come down here. Let's step down to 15 minutes so that I can see properly. So 15 minutes. Now this is it. You see, remember this area I was talking about now. So our fib level fall under that same psychological, that's 61.8. It fell at that exact spot. So before I will buy again, I'll wait for this market to come back and touch it second time. So touching it the second time, I need to charge my battery. So touching it the second time, okay, is there I place my buy? Put let's see. Okay, where's my alright, so not choose. I think it's gain. Make sure. Okay, yeah. So buy position around here. Alright, target up. My stop loss 400 pips is okay for stop loss. 400 pips. Guys, if you want to trade this gold and you have a count of $100, please make sure that you only place 0.01, only one trade. Okay, only one trade, 0.01. Please make sure you don't expose your capital to risk. One trade at a time with £100 or $100, please. So once the market touch this support, wait for a bullish candle to start forming. I will enter. Is that enter? Or on a safer side, what I can do, okay, next, or you trader, if you want to trade along with me with this, The next thing you can do is put your trend line. I don't know if you know how to use trend line very well. Comment on this video if you want me to teach you how to use trend line properly. So with this trend line, okay, the first touch, second touch. Now this is the first touch, second touch. So when market come down now, we could break if you can be able to break the third touch, okay, break the line, then I can position. That's another way for me to buy. Again, if I want to be more conservative, I'll place my position after the break of the trend line. Then my stop loss will be around here, same 400 pips. All right, so imagine the market come to this environment. Just hold on a second, let me show you trend line. Where is it called? Okay, see this? Hold on, excuse me. I think it's under where's that ruler? Yeah, good. Now if the market come this way, come down, touch this area, then okay, I'm not getting it right. Let me go back again. The market come, touch this area, okay, then after touching this support, then the next thing, the market jump up, break the resistance line, then and once it breaks the resistance line, I'll place my buy immediately. Stop loss below here, okay, 400 pips. Then I'll target my first take profit here, which is that 5,000. That's my first take profit, and it may be I think it's okay for now, because I don't want to do second take profit. I think first take profit should be here, first take profit here, which is how many pips? If I'm taking from here at the break of trend line, my first take profit will be 101, which is about 490 pips. Okay, then if I'm taking the trade, second take profit should be here, which is about 750 pips. All right, 750 pips if I'm trading this break of trend line, okay. Or if I'm trading like this, if it's slightly touching the support, then with a bullish candle coming above, stop loss 400 pips. All right, I think with this 400 pips, you are permitted to lose 30 pounds if you with 0.01. If it goes against you, you can lose 30 pounds. So that's why I said with 100 pounds or $100, just go with 0.01. So if the trade go against you, you only lose 30 pounds. You still have 70 pounds to trade another day. That is good for you. That's the least you can go on gold, okay, except you want to trade another PS. So if you are taking our trade from here, stop loss 400 pips, then first take profit should be here, which is how many pips? That's 600 pips for take profit, 600 pips. All right, see it here, 600 pips. You add 0 to that point, you get 600 pips. Then second take profit should be here. Second take profit is 90 pips. But don't forget, as the trade are going up, try to be locking your profit, okay? But don't get closer too much, so that because good like to do something once you are in profit, okay, because you are locking too close, it will come back, take your break even, then continue on the uptrend. So don't make sure that you don't come too close where you are locking your profit, okay. Just make sure that you take away all the stop loss whenever you are in profits, like the market has come to this level now. So what you can do is to bring the stop loss around here, and when the market crosses this line, I think this line is 51% retracement, 50% retracement, yeah, 50% retracement. Once it crosses that 50% retracement, then you can now I think what I mean, if you cross this line above, then you can now lock your profits and close all the stop loss. So that if the trade eventually come down to retest, you will still be in your 100 pounds will still be with you. All right, so and I don't believe it will come back to this area before it start going up. So but don't let your stop loss be closer. All right, so let me step back. So that is that for gold. All right, so let me step back because I need to have good 400 pips. I need to get my 400 pips. So these are the things I'm looking for next on gold. Don't forget, this is let me quickly give you the number. The first one is how will I do this? Okay, stop loss is 486 4.15, 4.83. It's moving. Let me just stay in one place. Okay, let me stay with this 4864. Okay, 4864.25. That's the stop loss. If I'm waiting for the market to come to this area, okay, if I'm waiting for the market to touch this support or this support, so that's that. Then the stop loss will be, the first take profit will be here, okay, around here, which is what's the first take profit? First take profit is 4967.91. okay, then second take profit will be 4995.82. that's second take profit. So these are the, I'll still bring it to the chart anyway after the whole thing transparent. So but all these things I just said, if I didn't see any sign of all these things, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not, if it's continue to break below on a downtrend, I won't do anything. Okay, so what I mean is that if gold refuse to stay respect this support and continue on a bearish move, I won't do anything. Okay, except maybe after going down for some time, then you come back up. But even if you come back up, I won't enter until maybe you come back to retest this area again, or retest this 50% retracement, come up and retest this 50% retracement for me a lower high, then I can enter buy around here, put my stop loss here below here. So just that's that, because gold may start continue on a bearish move, okay, or you can continue on a bullish move, but whatever gold is doing, these are what I will do if he plays the way I want it to play. All right, this is what I will do. I've just said it now. So traders, watch out, please. Don't forget, don't expose your capital to risk. Trade wisely. Don't over leverage, and trade so that you can see money to trade another day. It's not good to be out of market. It's so frustrating, because sometimes when gold you blow your account on gold when he was trying to play you around, maybe try to overtrade, but the time that the market is now going towards your direction, normal time, your plan, your projection, how you want gold to move, you start going to that same direction, you'll be so frustrated and think, oh, I wish I have money, I'll make some money. So please don't expose your capital to risk. Okay, so don't forget to follow me, comment on this video, like and subscribe, so I'll still give you more updates. Okay, so comment for me if you want me to give you more update after making profit with this. Okay, today and tomorrow, let's see what will happen. So let's engage this community and make profit together. Bye, see you later.